My cat can play poker.
This is Riley.
My beautiful son. And I will convince you that he can play poker like a pro. Everything starts with this picture. And with my magic wand, let us commence. Here is the sketch, our blueprint. You can already take a peek into my vision, but we're far from finished. Now we have callers as well, and do you know what that means? It was all well and good until now, but unfortunately, the fun bit is over. 'Tis time now for the dreadfully boring part. The render.